Okay, so hey YouTube, we're back with the last two babies getting changed in their PJs, the twins. And first we're going to start with twin B. So here she is, my littlest babies. So cute. And I can't even tell what her colors are really in this screen, but yeah, there she is, little I almost forgot her name, Jazora. So here her is. Say hi, Jazora. Say hi. So we're going to change her out of this cute little 3-piece Carter set. And I still have the hiccups. When will they end? So her and her sister is going to wear these cute little Carter newborn pajama sets. And she's going to wear this one with the little puppy dog on. It has polka dots all over it. And has a few bows and buttons down the middle. Cute little ruffled trims. So, yep, this is what she's going to wear. With her cute little pink bow. I'm going to try to change them both in this one. So this will probably be the video that I speed up. Because 2 in 1 is a lot to do, huh? Huh, Zorba? Say, yeah, Mama. Say, we're a handful. Say, we are a handful. I could just leave his pink little onesie on, but she has a white one on underneath it, so. I kind of want to get hair rooted on the twins. I know I've said that before, but they have such beautiful painted hair that I hate to root hair over that, but I don't know. Sometimes painted hair is a good thing, because as you can see, the twins are the only ones that have rooted hair. I mean, have painted hair, sorry. So, it's just so much easier to manage. It doesn't mess up. It always looks good. Just throw a headband on them or whatever you want to do and go on. Let me check your diaper. They probably do need a diaper change. I'm going to grab a diaper real quick. Alright, so she's going to put this cute little Huggies Mickey and Minnie diaper on. Size 1. Even though newborn sits them best, but this one looks pretty small, so. I love the Pampers diaper. Yes, these Pampers diapers I love, love, love. I like Huggies too. What is it? The commercial Huggies keeps them sleep longer. And with twins, Mommy needs her sleep. With 6 babies and 1 on the way. Okay. Oh yeah, those are a little big, but that's okay. Help fill out the clothes a little bit better. My sweet angels. And these pajamas are a little bit big for the twins. I try not to use the twins' clothes on any other babies. Like if I have 2 similar outfits, I don't usually use their clothes on other babies. So Jiraiya probably can fit these really well, but because they're in a twin set, Jiraiya would not be wearing them. I have plenty of other newborn clothes that are not in twin sets that I wanted Jariah to be able to wear, but she is very picky in her clothes. That's for sure. She is mommy's picky girl. But she looks so cute over there. She finally got her passy. Her passy's finally been magnified. One thing about that one, the clear passies, is you can see the magnet very well. I can see it from here. Actually, I should have put their panda ones on them, because they haven't had that one on in a while. The panda sleepers. Okay, 2-8, Mama, 2-8. Say next time you could put us in panda. I don't even know how these got so outstretched, because only babies that's been them is the twins. And they sure ain't stretched them out. But that's just how newborn, some sleepers fit on them. So, as you can see, it looks like how Jariah's sleeper fits on her. But they will be changed again this weekend. I try to change them on my off days. So, alrighty guys, now we gotta find our passy. This is my passy collection for the girls. There's quite a bit in there, and I still feel like I don't have matching sets. So, this one has the yellow and the pink in it. Say no. She may end up just wearing her white one. Let's see. But Mommy can look. I can look and see what she's got in here. She can wear this one. It matches the little heart. There's no orange in there, it just matches the yellow. She doesn't wear that one often. Usually I have their passies picked out ahead of time, but didn't this time. No, Mommy doesn't like that one, but it matches. Let's see, what about Minnie? Does Minnie match? I just think the Minnie's just too big. Well, shucks. Shucks, shucks. She may just wear that one. Okay, guys, she's gonna wear this one for now, but there's little Jazora. And we're already at 9 minutes almost, and I still gotta change her sister. Say, no bueno, Mama, no bueno. Hey, Tucho, Tucho. Okay, so let's move her over. Stinker pot. Let's put her sister here. She looks adorable in this outfit. This color looks so cute on her. Don't it, guys? Don't she look so cute? This is Mommy's favorite. I know shouldn't have favorites in twins, but it was twin B for the longest, but now, oh, I just love this one. She's just so cute. I love her, love her. I love her, love her. So there's that passy going bye-bye. But I love both my twins. I do, but just lately I've been liking twin A, like everyone else in the community. I might have to hit up their artist and see if she can't make them, I wanted a twin boy, a twin A and boy, but I wanted it to be a triplet to them. And I know that will be a task because I barely find the twin girl stuff, but I think it'll be easier to dress a boy alongside them. So I don't know if she will or not, if she even does customs, but it's worth a try. And if not, you know, I can at least send her back to touch up a few things on them, because there is some areas that needs touching up on both of them. And like I said, I want these to be my forever babies. So I gotta make sure they stay in very good condition. Oh, the babies look so cute. I'm just looking at all of them. I might end up changing Julian too, because everybody's in sleepers, but I might just put a onesie on him like his brother. Because the girls are in sleepers and maybe the boys can be in onesies. For Onesie Wednesday tomorrow. They'll be already in advance. She's going to wear the same diaper as her sister, the little Huggies Mickey Minnie. Except for I think hers has Pluto and Mickey. And her sister's had Minnie and Mickey on it. So the ones are just a little bit too big, and Mommy put it on backwards. Good job, Mommy. So good job. You have won an award for putting on the diaper on backwards. Just such awkward positioning here. I need a changing table. I've got to go out and look for a couple things that I need. I want a changing table. I want a little swing. I want a bassinet. But I just have no room, and I'm going to be moving here soon. So I want to get a 2-bedroom so that I can have a real nursery. It would be like a nursery slash guest bedroom or a computer room or something like that. But that's where the bassinet and stuff will be, and where some of the babies will be. I still want a couple babies to be in my room, but most of the time I'll just have them in the nursery and I'll just go in there, play with them. So I'm sorry I didn't show you all. She's going to be wearing this one. Looks just like her sister's, but it's pink and it has an elephant on it. Holding a little balloon. And it has the little polka dots on it and the little bows and buttons the same. So she looks very good in darker colors. I mean, they both do, but I think this twin, I lean more towards the darker colors, and then the other one I lean toward the lighter ones. But they both look good in dark colors. And the cute little pastel colors. They are cute already. Timmy just cute already. Cute as a little button. See, we're just cute as buttons, Mommy. So there she is. I'm going to change her little hair bow out. But there's Mommy's little girl, baby Jazara. See, is that baby Jazara? Say yeah. Say, I'm baby Jazara. Alright, where's the head bow? She's going to wear the blue one. Oh, it hasn't even been used yet. Which which means I'm going to have to end up tying it. Alrighty. So. Alright, there her is. One mommy's kisses. Give mommy kisses. There she is, guys. There's baby Jazara. Alright, so here's the twins together. I gotta get Jazora a pacifier, but there they are. It's so hard doing that. But I'll come back and show you guys all the babies and their completed look. I might give her this. Take that. I'm gonna change her passy out. Maybe we'll use this one instead. I don't think this one's gonna fit, but anywho. Alright guys, so there's the girls and we'll be back to show all of them. Thanks for watching.